Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to change the color of time on lock screen on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and lock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone with your Face ID. Press and hold the lock screen. Click on Customize. Then select lock screen again. Now to change the color of time on your lock screen, click on the time. Then here you can customize the color. You see that? So just go ahead and select your preferred choice of color or click on this color grid to pick the color you want to set your lock screen time in, and then click outside. Now click outside again, then click on done at the top right. Then click on lock screen again. Now when next your Samsung phone screen is locked, this is what you're going to see. You see that? So that's exactly how to change the color of time on lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.